Before you go, I will not be remiss in asking this question. I wanted you to give your 2 cents on the document that came out last night, which was on the request for an indefinite adjournment by the defense of former President Rodrigo Duterte in the ICC. They argue that he is unfit to stand trial and that Mr. Duterte suffers from significant cognitive deficiencies that affect his memory, his daily executive functioning, his visual constructive abilities, his orientation to place and time, and limiting his capacity for complex reasoning. What are your thoughts on that, Congresswoman?
Okay. ICC, as a body, really has the discretion and the prerogative to grant requests like that. Now, it is, of course, premised on a validation or verification of the grounds put forward by the lawyer. Yung mga sinabi mong ground kanina, Gretchen. So I suppose there is a way, or there was a means and process on the part of the judges, the ICC, as a body, to first validate or verify that condition as cited by the lawyer in that request. So we would not know now how factually correct yung mga sinite na grounds. But again, I don't think the ICC will grant that kung hindi muna nila nagkaroon o hindi muna nila verify yung sinasabing condition of the former president. Ang atin na lang we are just hoping now na yung indefinite suspension of the proceedings ng ICC won't take that long para masimulan na, because the confirmation of charges sa proceedings, importante po yan kasi dyan magde-decide ang ICC kung itutuloy pa nga yung trial. So cognitive impairment, so that is something that is both physical and also psychological and maybe emotional, cognitive impairment. So I again, siguro naman nagkaroon ng verification muna on the part of the ICC dyan sa sinasabing
actually, this is
cognitive
a letter,
impairment.
This is a letter from the defense, no? Ito po yung kanilang request. Pero I think they gave a limited period of deferment para po ay maaral po nila yung tunay na medical condition ng dating presidente. So mukhang hindi pa po naka-confirm, but there is a neuropsychologist who did the medical examination upon the former president. Pero kung sakasakali po, I mean, how will this affect the pursuit for justice for the drug war victims? Could this, ultimately lead to this trial being cut short?
Well, depende talaga yan dyan sa health condition of the former president. Of course, on the part of the victims, the families of the victims. Siyempre, because they've been crying out for justice, matagal na nila itong inihingi. Buti nga't may ICC at hindi dito sa atin. So, siyempre, nakakapangamba rin on the part of the families kasi para sa kanila, kailangan may hustisya. Panagutin yung talagang may kagagawan. Lalo na yung pinaka-mastermind, sino nag-utos dun sa mga pagpatay na yun at alam naman natin na it's the former president. So, ang feeling ng ang feeling ng mga victims or the families of the victims, I would suppose, ay gusto talaga nila na matuloy ang trial. So, siguro, yung iba sa kanila nagdadasal na, Lord, huwag niyo na munang kunin yung dating Pangulo para harapin muna niya yung wills of justice.
Pero kasi, kayo ho, kayo ho, ano pong nararamdaman po ninyo tungkol dito? Kayo rin po ay isang biktima nito. At pangalawa, I guess, do you believe in the possibility that this could be the way that the president's health is heading?
There's always that possibility. We really do not know. We really do not know when his time would end in this world, on Earth. So it would be God's. It's nasa ano na yan, nasa ating Panginoon kung kukunin na niya ang isang tao. Ako, I've always believed, if it's your time, it's your time. Kaya nga, sabi ko nga, siguro naman, hindi pa naman siya kukunin talaga because he has to face the wills of justice. And then kahit mawala na siya, hindi naman po ibig sabihin mag-stop na yung ICC investigation. Kasi meron pa dyan matitira na mga lilitisin din at pwedeng litisin ng ICC. You know, there's still the former PNP chief, now senator, na alam natin na isama yan ng prosecutors doon sa charges. So,
hindi po nagtatapos ito sa dating presidente.
Yes, hindi po yan magtatapos sa kanya lang kasi meron pang mga iba na mga dapat panagutin